Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MINISFORUM MT4UB1 ultra thin desktop PC. So friend, the ultra thin desktop computer MT4UB1 is equipped with an AMD A4-9120 and friend, the network is equipped with 2 gigabit LAN in addition to an IEEE 802.11 AC wireless LAN, Radeon R3 Graphics with integrated CPU graphics, DDR4 4GB memory, 64GB eMMC storage, interface USB 2.0 into 2, USB 3.0 into 3, 3.5 combo jack into 1, microSD card slot, maximum 128GB interface and friend, the body is 135.6 wide, 120.6 deep, 34.5 tall and weighs around 262 grams and friend, the operating system is Windows 10 Pro, 64-bit to Windows 11 not supported and friend, the device included AC adapter, AC cable and VESA mounter for attaching the LED Spec and friend, the accepted market price is roughly $159 USD. And friend, despite being a product of value class with an AMD A4-9120 processor, include 2 HDMI connection and enables twin monitors. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.